and welcome back to another lesson of the Basic JavaScript for Beginners course. In this video, we're going to continue with the last lesson, which was about functions in JavaScript. Previously, we have seen function declaration and function expressions way to define a function. In the next few minutes, we will be studying a new way of defining a function in JavaScript, which is the arrow function expressions, but just after the intro. Arrow function expressions are a shorter form or a shorter version of function expression that we have seen in the last video. They were introduced first in ES6 and they are different from function expressions in two main points. The first point is that they are completely anonymous, which means that they are functions without name, and the second main point is in the way how they create this value. So we are not going to talk in detail about this point. However, we will be for sure having a separate video about this keyword because it's really important in JavaScript. Now, because arrow functions are similar to function expressions, they can be assigned to a variable, and to write an arrow function, all you need is to define the parameters between two parentheses, then followed by a fat arrow, then the block of statements. Let's write our first arrow function. Let's say that we want to write a function that say hi. So all we need is using the parentheses to define our parameters, but because we have no parameters, we won't use them, followed by the fat arrow, then the block of statement. In the block of statement, we are just going to console log hi. So we invoke the function as we have seen in the previous video with the parentheses. Now let's save and refresh the page. As you can see, we are printing hi to the console. Now if we need to pass a parameter, all we need is, for example, if we need a name, all we need to do is pass this parameter to the function. Then let's concatenate this with the name. Now again, if we refresh the page, here we are getting undefined because we didn't pass the name here in the function. We're going to pass, for example, YouTube. There is a shorter version of this. We can improve that by omitting the parentheses because we have got only one parameter. Then we can also omit these brackets when we have only one line of code. This function remains true, and to demonstrate this, let's save and refresh the page. As you can see, we are still getting hi YouTube. In the case if we have got two parameters, let's say for example the name and the age, in this case we need to put the parentheses, and same goes for the block of statements. If we have more than one line of code, in this case we need to add the brackets. We want to add console log I am, then add the age here because we have got two parameters, which is 15. Let's refresh then. We are still printing hi YouTube, I am 15 years old. So basically this is how we use arrow function expressions in JavaScript. Now we are at the end of today's lesson, which was quite short. Hopefully I hope that you have learned something new today. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Peace.